shoes are, so that's my shoes. Yes. And this is my suot. That's what it is. And this is real. So nag-English po ako minsan pero po, Tagalog talaga ako. Look, what is my, oh, what is that? No one? Oh, wait, oh. Oh, sorry. That is so pretty, yeah? Pretty? Wait, so this is my, like that. Oh, wait, I'm bangga, so, wait lang po. So, ano po maganda sa akin, ano? My fit? My dress or my shorts? What do you think about me? I'm fit or not? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. So this is my mom. She's so pretty because this is so baby now. Because they are dark now. Oh, that is Daddy. This is my pinsan. This is my sister. This is the one of my brother. That is my brother. So wait. Oops. What the? Is that babilog? What's that? Oh, the light. Wait. So we gonna here. Take some. Yes. Oh yes. So we gonna think about this. Oh, that is okay. So we gonna open the light. Wow. What is that? The light like that. So this is so super. We're gonna think this is this. So, no naman. Oh, we're gonna open this picture. So this is the tattoos. This is the other. Yeah, that's over there. Yeah. So this is the slime. Oh, slime. So, what? Oh my gosh, there are so many. Oh, the boutique. This is the langgam. Oh my god, that's sarado. That's. We're gonna open that. So this is my shadow. Okay, we're gonna clean it. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna labas here. That. We're gonna wait. Apply. Wait, guys. So this is me. I'm too pretty or not? So this is the Pocky. That is Pocky. So this is the Pocky, and I'm gonna eat. I don't know because baka meron tong laman or wala. Or not. I'm so sorry. Tatagal po din ako. Hindi ko pa. Pala yan! Napako. So, we're gonna open this now. Boy pa naman natin. Yan. We're gonna say 3, 2, 1 now. Say 3, 2, 1 now. Okay, we're gonna open now. I'm so excited because this is so yummy. Wait. So this is so yummy. Oh, I'm so sorry because guys, this is strawberry. Tingnan na. Ano muna? Basahin ko muna natin. Pocky. Is your name? Strawberry. Strawberry flavor po daw. Ito. So, excited po ako. Wala pa sa puti tayo sa ko. Share Hopkins. Pocky. Shares Hopkins. So, we're gonna open now. Baka wala po naman. Ay. I'm so sorry again. Oh, wait. It's so hard. Oh no, the card. And this is the laman. Nothing. Oh, I'm gonna buy some one because hindi pa po nakakakain ng ganito. Yan na lang po. Ipunin na lang po natin to. Dito na lang natin yung ipon natin. So, dapat po pala yun. Bakit wala? Ay, sabihin nyo na po kung ilagay na ako. Basta sa comment. Pag walang comment, ay di okay lang po. Sabihin nyo na lang po sa sarili nyo. Ang ganito po. Grade 1? Grade 2? Yan po. Sabihin nyo lang po natin. Kakain na. Ouchie! Kakain dyan sakit. So, kasi ito. Di ba po nakakaya na to? Woo! Bukod na po ulit ako na video. Di pa kasi ako marunong mag-vlog eh. Kaya tapos na po natin yan. Diba? Ito muna po. Yan lang. Oh my God, stop. So, malapit ako matapos dito naman ko. Kasi nakakapit na lang ako sa cellphone ko. Naka-PC ako. Laptop ako. Video ka!